Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Amina's channel. Today I'm gonna open this squishy BoCoRn. So let's get on it. So I would like to collect this one because it's like a BoCoRn. So it's got plenty stuff here. It's got slime, a mystery bag, some BoCoRn, and some stickers. And it also got to hatch the egg, and so get to take this away. And this time to open it. And I will. Okay, here. So I take this off, and I can't even open it. Oh, here. I just need to take this off, like the zip. Oh, I'm so excited to do this. It's like our own color, and there's so many wrappings. My dad is gonna put these in the bin. There's another wrapper behind it. There's another wrapper. What can I do it? How can I? There's another. Oh, I just need. Oh my. Can some? Oh yes. Oh yes. What is going? There's another wrapper. Can somebody help me? Come put that. Oh, here's the zip liner. Here it is. Everything is falling down. I'm not. Oh my gosh. So I just falling. Let's see what my BoCoRn's like. What does he like? He's the queen. He likes the queen. He likes the queen. Let's open it. Wait. I got a lion. And this spoiler. Let's see what we got. Oh, I got this BoCoRn. I got like this one. With this lion. I got lots. What did I? So guys, I collect this one. So it's gonna be there. And some more wrappers. Got this. And we got the BoCoRn. You can show. And look at this. So this is the liner. I know, and I can even take this off. Look, I can take this off. I don't know if I broke it. So now let's see what I got in this bag. I don't even know how to open this. Okay. I open it. I got a bracelet, and it shows. Wait. It shows the flamingo one and doesn't show this one. So I'm just gonna put it. No, I'm just gonna leave it here. I'm just gonna put it on. Oh my gosh, that fell down. I got these stickers. And is this the slime? Can somebody open this for me? Oh, here it is. I almost. This is rainbow slime. Some this and some pink. Let's see if we can stretch it. So we just look at this. It's like Play-Doh. It turns into purple and it's so soft. So we're just gonna mix it. And it's so. I don't know. I got a golden flamingo. Comment down below which one do you like for me and which one do you want to get. Because I like this one. So actually, comment down below which one do you like from here, the lion or the golden flamingo, or this one that I have on my bracelet. Or would you like all of them like me? I like all of them. But the best one, I like this one. Because I also like Coca-Cola, so I like this one, the golden flamingo. And this sand is so soft. And I forgot to tell you, it has some pink and some yellow here. And which one would you like to see? So this is the one I got. I just almost ripped it. This is the one. And look, which here. Everything is falling off. So first of all, I'm gonna put this. Why is everything falling off? So this is. Oh, this is the wrong way. This is the wrong way. So this is our car. Oh my god, this is like a sesame. Just like a sesame. Look at this. I'm the king. I'm the king. Because we got a clip here for hair. We can put it on the lion. Oh, this is upside down. So actually we can put it here like this. Got clipping. Would you want to see my slime? It turns into like, it's really like stretchy. So I'm just gonna put it here. And so just gonna put it. I got even another one, guys, because it just stuck. It's so stuck. I just need this. I thought I would have pink. Wait, do I have pink? So okay, we got some. Okay. Oh, we got some more. We got some more. We got some more. We got some more. So we're gonna just put. What do I put this? Put it in my bin. Okay. Now it's time to mix up. I think it's gonna turn into purple. So we're gonna see how this is gonna look like. Wait, let me see which one do I go. So which one do I go? I'm gonna see. This is all the collections. So I don't even. Here it is. I don't know if this one is mine or this one or this one because it's like purple similar, but. So I don't know if it was blue or purple. So I'm gonna come in the middle. So which sticker come in the? So first of all, I'm gonna just put this back in here. Look, would you see this? It has like sparkly blue and it's so cute. Which comment down below what's your favorite sticker from here, okay? And then would you know? Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.